Not gonna lie, I would always avoid the conversation when meeting new people when they asked me what I did. There was a point in time where I left my corporate career that I thought I was gonna be at for a very long time and decided to try to make money online by myself from home. But yeah, I would avoid the question because I always felt like they were judging me. And you know what? It did feel like that way because they would always suggest different job opportunities. No, I think part of the reason I felt uncomfortable was because I wasn't making a ton of money at the time. So I did end up going back to a different corporate career. But before that, in that time period, I would answer and I'm like, oh, like I sell on eBay, I sell on Amazon, I do Etsy, and ultimately I have a high desire to provide for our family. So I did end up back in a corporate career. But now, I am fully retired and I'm not going back to a 9-to-5. Now when people ask me, instead of being like, oh, I promote digital products, I'm an Amazon influencer, you know what I like to say? I help people make money online so that they can quit their 9-to-5. And because I've done it, I've retired myself and I'm living my best life.